All right, let us solve this number 2 question on this system of equilibrium. Now we have this question 2. It says a uniform beam 4 meters long supported at its ends by 2 supports. So it's supported at its ends by 2 supports. If a load of 200 Newton is placed at the center, what is the reaction at each supports? Now let us first of all get the diagram. We are told that a uniform beam, let's say we say is 4 meters long, that is 4 meters long, supported at its end. So this end here is supported here, okay, supported at its ends, okay. And this end here, there is going to be a reaction here. Let's call this one R1. Then let's call this one R2. Now, we are told that a load of 200 newtons. 200 newtons. 200 newtons is placed at the center. That is to say, the distance that is perpendicular to this one from here, this is 2 meters, okay? So this is also acting at 2 meters halfway. Now we are asked to calculate these two reactions. And remember, one of the principles of moment says that the algebraic sum of all the forces acting on any system is equal to 0. That is, the vector sum of all the forces must be equal to 0. In that case, it means the sum of the upward forces must be equal to the sum of the downward forces. Now, the upward forces here now are these two reactions, R1, which means R1 plus R2 is equal to 200. That's 200. Now, R1 and R2, they are the same. Why? Because they are acting at the same distance. So for us to have equilibrium, it means that this force must be shared. So if R1 is equal to R2, that means our R1 and R2, we can have 2 R1 equal to 200. So which means R1 here is equal to 200 over 2. So this gives us 100. R1 is equal to 100 Newton. So if R1 is equal to 100 Newton, and we say that R1 is equal to R2. So that means that the two reactions, R2 also is equal to 100 Newton. So the answer is 100 Newton. Both of them, we have to share this weight or this load. So that is the answer to this question. If you find this class interesting, help us to share this post and do well to like and comment. Bye.